You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
All 4 lifts at Mount Shasta Ski Park are back open today. So that is 38 trails and more than 600 acres of skiable terrain. This time-lapse video shows a mix of a little sunshine earlier, and we can see those clouds moving in, maybe even snow out there. And I'm definitely seeing some people going up on those lifts, Jason. Probably pretty chilly up there, though, on the mountainside.
Yeah, those chairs are moving. Thankfully, we don't have that really strong wind that forced them to close the other day. We have much less wind in the forecast, but we have many chances for that rain and snow that we need. We're just hoping for not too much of that good thing that we need, because we're going to have some heavy amounts as we head to the next 6 to 7 days. Right now, a lot of clouds spreading over the region. We're now down to 48 degrees in Redding. It's 50 degrees in Chico, 44 degrees in Paradise, and a cool 32 in Chester. But thankfully, that wind nowhere near where it was late Monday into Tuesday. Everyone has wind less than 5 miles an hour. That is fantastic. Now it's going to pick up by Friday when the third in this series of storms moves here, but we still have one to get through before that arrives. So we have a lot of high clouds overhead right now, but the moisture and the rain and snow still offshore. By 11 o'clock tonight, we'll already have some of the rain and snow pushing into our far western counties, southern Trinity County and western parts of Glenn and Tehama County. But by the wee hours of the morning, here's 3 a.m., valley rain and mountain snow. Not much wind, thankfully, but you'll hear that rain on the windows, and we'll still have some rain for your morning commute Thursday. We'll have a brief break, maybe a few hours, and then here comes the next round of rain. This is the third one. It's going to be a system of storms moving through with much better chances for some rain late Thursday into early Friday. We could have some locally heavy rainfall at times by Friday morning along the ridge and also the eastern and western sides of the valley. And we're not done there. We still have plenty of rain coming by Friday and early Saturday. Now, that's just the first part of this extended series of storm systems. Coming up in the second half hour, I'm going to show you the other storms that are moving through as we head out of 2022 and into 2023. More rain and more snow are coming. But in the short term, through the end of the current year, we're still going to have some healthy amounts of rain in the valley, between 1 inch and 2.5 inches possible, and a little bit more than that, between 2 and 3.5 inches of precipitation for most mountain locations. As far as the snow is concerned, we'll also begin to get some of that snow, but it's going to be high snow levels. Most places over 5,000 feet, actually rising closer to 8,000 feet by the latter part of the weekend into early next week, but over 1 foot of snow possible in the highest locations. So once again, we have our winter weather advisories out for most of the mountains. The areas in purple. That lasts from late tonight through early Friday morning. A winter storm warning for northern Trinity County from tonight through Thursday night. And then also for the third storm, we already have a winter storm watch. The areas in light blue for Lassen and Plumas counties from late Thursday night through Sunday morning, because that's the third storm coming our way. And because we expect more rain than we've had for quite some time, we also have several of our counties under flood watches for parts of Trinity, Glenn, and Butte, as well as Lassen, Plumas, and Modoc counties. From Friday morning through Sunday morning, we're under a flood watch. Now, it's not going to be widespread flooding, but flood-prone areas will have a chance for that happening. So if you have the opportunity now while things are quiet, clean up your leaves and all debris around your house. Make sure that drains are clear, because when we start getting that rain, especially Friday and Saturday, it's going to be coming down. Coming up in the second half hour, I'm going to show you how much we expect with the rest of that first storm, as well as early next week. So overnight tonight, a lot of clouds, but most of that rain and snow is going to hold off until after midnight tonight. We'll have lows in the 20s in the mountains with 30s and 40s for the foothills and the valley, but the highs, you'll notice, not much warmer than the overnight lows. Upper 30s for the mountains, upper 40s and lower 50s for the valley, with some morning rain showers and a better chance for more rain overnight tomorrow night into Friday. Next 7 days in Chico, one of these things is not like the others. New Year's Day is the only dry day for us, but we need that rain. Highs in Chico will stay in the 50s, and for the Redding area, upper 40s tomorrow with some rain showers tomorrow morning and especially tomorrow night, and more good chances for rain Friday and Saturday, especially Monday through Wednesday of next week, but dry and partly cloudy on New Year's Day itself with a high of 57.
Thanks, Jason.